In this video, we'll be showing you how to remove the battery pack, catalog number 2960.47, from the PowerPad IV 8345. This process also applies to the Oscilloscope OX 9000 series, including models OX 9062, OX 9102, OX 9104, and OX 9304. As well as the installation testers models CA6116N and CA6117. Before you remove the battery, make sure to disconnect anything connected to the instrument. Turn the instrument over and insert flathead screwdriver into the battery release recess. Push down on the screwdriver to release the battery. When putting the battery back into the device, press the battery down until you hear the click of the locking mechanism. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and subscribe for more videos like this.